Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Wukong 770 kilogram super strong double-sided magnet. It's a fishing kit. Neodymium Eyelet magnet fishing, but not for fishes, of course, for magnet possibility connected devices. It's a neodymium magnet. It's a fishing set with eyelet for fishing. For mountain magnets, diameter is 94mm in this case. Of course, it's other dimensions available on the market. The size name here is an LNM. A 94-3-1. It's a powerful neodymium double-sided magnet with 94mm diameter and 30mm thickness. The double-sided pulling force up to 770 kilograms. These are nearly 1,700 pounds. That means each side can handle 385 kilograms. These are 850 pounds. Extremely strong magnet, pulling force for direct contact and direct pull under ideal conditions. A magnet provides double surface to catch targets. And here it comes with a perfect set. The set contains a powerful magnet and 20-meter durable braided nylon rope, as well as a pair of gloves and fixing adhesives. Woo! With which we can get started immediately. And high quality Ni plus Cu plus Ni 3-layer coating for shiny and rust resistant properties. The steel cap protects the magnet from chips or cracks, the permanent stretch and the long life in accordance with ISO 9001 quality systems. And it's multifunction. The powerful Wukong neodymium magnet is ideal for fishing, lifting, hanging, and retrieving magnets. It's having fun searching for lost treasures in rivers, lakes, fountains, canals, or ponds. It can also be used to hold or attach items in our garage or in the garden, such as eye screws itself, hooks, fasteners, adsorptions, or anywhere we need an incredible strong magnet. And you can see we can go fishing with it easily. Really, there are many factors that can affect the pulling force of the product. Some tips for it, okay? The force will determine at room temperature on a plate made of polished steel with a thickness of 10mm. In exceptional cases, hypothermia, overheating, or deep thickness, a deviation of -10% to the specific value is possible. The pulling force is maximized when pulled from vertical direction with the magnetic surface. The pulling force is reduced in the horizontal direction, of course. The tensile force is influenced by many factors: the material, the effect, contact surface, the smoothness of the surface, the direction of the tensile, the temperature, etc. And materials. Magnets cannot pull alloys, and we need a contact surface. The magnet attracts the needle tip, but the pulling force is not as good as the pulling force generated when the magnetic touches the larger iron block completely. It is also unrealistic to use only the needle tip to attract the magnet, okay? The material is an ND FVB magnet plus A3 steel plate plus 304 stainless steel rings. Screw size is 94mm diameter, 30mm thickness. The plating is an Ni plus Cu plus Ni triple layer. Coated pulling force is a double-sided combined 707 kilogram. This is each side comes nearly 400 kilogram. Before magnet fishing, we need to prepare a one-piece strong fishing magnet, a strong rope, a fixed hook, and a pair of gloves. Then we choose a suitable place to start our treasure hunt. If we find that our magnet is really cool to heavy objects, we pull slowly and carefully. patience is the key. If we tackle it slowly, it is less likely that we lose the big fun. After the long use, the magnetic houses can be scratched and prone to rust. We put this in no way reduce the power of the magnets, okay? To reduce this problem, the magnets should be rinsed and dried before storage. Magnets only attract iron metal and nickel, not gold, silver or copper. So, and they alloys and stainless steel too. The magnet force concentrates on the ground and another side of the fishing magnet. There is hardly any magnet force from another surface. And multifunction. Heavy-duty construction and underwater applications. This is either for lifting or restoring the lost iron objects underwater. Water pump, iron tools, brake or heavy metal objects, antique objects, also hanging, fixing, and hobby worldwide. And structure and design. Removable ring bolt, unique, is the pass-through hole design where the ring bolt is screwed into the side of the case. The two eye screws can be removed, of course. The pulling force is a double-sided combination of 770 kilograms. These are nearly 1,500 pounds. Each side comes with 850 pounds. That's a lot. With that, you can really go fishing. Or magnet fishing with the Wukong super strong double-sided magnet fishing kit. This is everything what you need as a newbie in the fishing, in a magnet fishing theme. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.